friends, welcome to my channel Sunu Soulful Cooking. Today I am going to make a paneer curry. It's a favorite at home and I am sure you all will like it. Come, let's make delicious paneer curry. For making this paneer gravy, we need 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a small piece of cinnamon stick, 2 small cloves, a small piece of ginger, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, green chilli, dried red chilli 1 each, 3 medium-sized tomatoes, 2 medium-sized onions and few cashew nuts. Quarter teaspoons of turmeric and cumin powder, 3/4 teaspoon of coriander and red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of kashmiri red chilli powder, kasuri methi and 2 teaspoons of kitchen king masala. Heat a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil heats up, add the cloves, cinnamon stick and cumin seeds. Then add chopped onions. Chop them roughly as we'll be making a paste of it. Add little salt. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add ginger, garlic and the chillies. Saute till the onions become translucent. Then add the powders: turmeric, coriander, cumin, red chilli, kashmiri red chilli powder and kitchen king masala. Mix well and saute for 2 minutes. Add chopped tomatoes and cashew nuts. Cover it with a lid so that the tomatoes turn soft and mushy. After some time, add little water. Cook for 2 minutes. Then turn off the stove. Let the mixture cool. Transfer it to a mixer jar and make a fine paste out of it. Heat a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Add the ground paste. Keep the flame low and cook for 2 minutes. Add 1 cup water. Add salt to taste. Add half teaspoon sugar to balance the flavors. Cook for 2 minutes and add the paneer cubes. This is homemade paneer. Then add crushed kasuri methi, half teaspoon of garam masala and 2 teaspoon of fresh cream. Turn off the stove. Add half teaspoon of ghee to enhance the flavor. Finally add chopped coriander leaves. Creamy, silky paneer curry is ready to serve. Garnish with fresh cream. This curry can be served with chapati, naan, jeera rice and pulao. If you are using store-bought paneer, put the cubes in hot water for 5 minutes. You can increase or decrease the amount of spices according to your taste. If you don't have fresh cream at home, add 3 teaspoons of milk at room temperature. If you liked my video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.